Hello, everyone. You are welcome to our wonderful channel. Now we will be sharing how to make cauliflower cheese at home, in the comfort of your kitchen. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Creating cauliflower cheese at home is a delightful culinary endeavor that combines the comforting flavors of creamy cheese sauce with the wholesome goodness of cauliflower. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through every step of the process, from selecting the freshest cauliflower to preparing a velvety cheese sauce and assembling the dish for baking. By following these detailed instructions and tips, you'll be able to make a delicious cauliflower cheese that will become a favorite side dish or vegetarian main course in your home. List of contents to be shared. 1. Introduction to cauliflower cheese. 2. Selecting and preparing cauliflower. 3. Making cheese sauce from scratch. 4. Assembling cauliflower cheese. 5. Baking and serving. 6. Variations and flavor ideas. 7. Tips for success. 8. Storing and reheating leftovers. 9. Using cauliflower cheese in other dishes. 10. Conclusion and final thoughts. Introduction to cauliflower cheese. Cauliflower cheese is a classic British dish that combines tender cauliflower florets with a rich and creamy cheese sauce. It's a comforting and satisfying dish that can be served as a side dish alongside roast meats or as a vegetarian main course. The creamy cheese sauce pairs perfectly with the mild flavor of cauliflower, creating a dish that is both indulgent and nutritious. Selecting and preparing cauliflower. When selecting cauliflower for cauliflower cheese, look for heads that are firm, with tightly packed florets and fresh green leaves. Avoid cauliflower with brown spots, mushy areas, or strong odors, as these are signs of spoilage. To prepare the cauliflower for cooking, follow these steps. 1. Remove leaves. Trim away the outer leaves of the cauliflower and discard them. 2. Cut into florets. Use a sharp knife to cut the cauliflower head into bite-sized florets. 2. You can also break the cauliflower into florets by hand if you prefer. 3. Rinse. Rinse the cauliflower florets under cold running water to remove any dirt or debris. 4. Steam or boil. Steam or boil the cauliflower florets until they are tender but still slightly firm, about 5-7 minutes. 4. Be careful not to overcook the cauliflower, as it can become mushy. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Making cheese sauce from scratch. To make cheese sauce from scratch, you'll need the following ingredients. 1. Butter. Butter adds richness and flavor to the sauce. 2. Flour. All-purpose flour is used to thicken the sauce. 3. Milk. Whole milk is traditionally used for cheese sauce, but you can use any type of milk you prefer. 4. Cheese. Cheddar cheese is the classic choice for cauliflower cheese, but you can use any type of cheese you like, such as Gruyere, Swiss, or Parmesan. 5. Seasonings. Salt, pepper, and mustard powder add flavor to the sauce. Here's how to make cheese sauce. 1. Melt butter. In a saucepan, melt butter over medium heat. 2. Add flour. Stir in flour and cook for 1-2 minutes, stirring constantly, until the mixture is smooth and bubbly. 3. Gradually add milk. Slowly pour in milk, whisking constantly to prevent lumps from forming. 4. Simmer. Continue cooking, stirring constantly, until the sauce thickens and coats the back of a spoon, about 5-7 minutes. 5. Add cheese. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in grated cheese until melted and smooth. 6. Season. Season the sauce with salt, pepper, and mustard powder to taste. Assembling cauliflower cheese. To assemble cauliflower cheese, follow these steps. 1. Preheat oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Arrange cauliflower. Spread the steamed cauliflower florets in a greased baking dish in an even layer. 3. Pour cheese sauce. Pour the prepared cheese sauce over the cauliflower, ensuring that all the florets are evenly coated. 4. Optional toppings. If desired, Sprinkle breadcrumbs or grated cheese over the top of the cauliflower cheese for added texture and flavor. Baking and serving. Once assembled, bake the cauliflower cheese in the preheated oven until bubbly and golden brown on top, about 20–25 minutes. Remove from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. To serve cauliflower cheese, scoop out portions onto plates and garnish with chopped fresh parsley or chives for a pop of color and freshness. Cauliflower cheese pairs well with roasted meats, grilled fish, or as a standalone vegetarian main course. Variations and flavor ideas. While classic cauliflower cheese is delicious on its own, you can experiment with different variations and flavor combinations to suit your taste preferences. Here are some ideas to inspire you. 1. Add bacon. Crumbled cooked bacon adds a smoky and savory flavor to cauliflower cheese. 2. Use different cheeses. Experiment with different types of cheese, such as blue cheese, goat cheese, or smoked Gouda, to create unique flavor profiles. 3. Add vegetables. Mix in other cooked vegetables such as broccoli, peas, or spinach to add color and texture to the dish. 4. Spice it up. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes to the cheese sauce for a hint of heat. 5. Make it gluten-free. Use a gluten-free flour blend or cornstarch to thicken the cheese sauce for a gluten-free version of cauliflower cheese. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Tips for success. To ensure success when making cauliflower cheese, keep these tips in mind. 1. Don't overcook the cauliflower. Steam or boil the cauliflower until it is tender but still slightly firm to avoid mushy cauliflower cheese. 2. Use a flavorful cheese. Choose a cheese with a bold flavor, such as sharp cheddar or aged Gouda, to add depth to the dish. 3. Season the sauce. Taste the cheese sauce and adjust the seasoning as needed with salt, pepper, and other spices to enhance the flavor. 4. Customize the toppings. Get creative with toppings such as breadcrumbs, grated cheese, or fresh herbs to add texture and visual appeal to the dish. Storing and reheating leftovers. If you have leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3–4 days. To reheat, place individual portions in a microwave-safe dish and microwave on high for 1–2 minutes, or until heated through. Alternatively, you can reheat the cauliflower cheese in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 10–15 minutes, or until bubbly and hot. Using cauliflower cheese in other dishes. Cauliflower cheese is a versatile dish that can be used in a variety of other recipes. Here are some ideas to inspire you. 1. Cauliflower cheese soup. Puree leftover cauliflower cheese with chicken or vegetable broth to make a creamy cauliflower cheese soup. 2. Cauliflower cheese pasta bake. Mix cooked pasta with leftover cauliflower cheese, top with breadcrumbs and grated cheese, and bake until bubbly and golden brown. 3. Cauliflower cheese stuffed mushrooms. Fill mushroom caps with leftover cauliflower cheese, sprinkle with breadcrumbs, and bake until golden and crispy. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Conclusion and final thoughts. Cauliflower cheese is a delicious and comforting dish that is perfect for weeknight dinners or special occasions. With its creamy cheese sauce and tender cauliflower, it's sure to become a favorite in your household. By following the steps outlined in this comprehensive guide and experimenting with different variations and flavor combinations, you'll be able to create cauliflower cheese that is both delicious and satisfying. So roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and get ready to enjoy the creamy goodness of homemade cauliflower cheese. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bon appétit!